Okay, so the boat is basically finished up inside, except for the floor. We have got our hull clearance already, so I'm just panning around, coming through into the lockers, 220 on, coming around. We're painting that right now. There's the paint. I'm just taking a quick video before the paint. Coming into the electrical cupboard, panning around, service cupboard, coming into the mid cabin, doing a pan around, coming through, and now going towards the back cabin. Put a mirror in here for you, dressing room mirror, the bathroom, shelves coming through, obviously shelves inside on both sides. Stepped, reinforced. So there we have it. Everything functioning. Okay, now we're gonna finish up this bit of floor, and when the boat's in the water, then we'll do the outside and we'll do the last bit of floor so there's no sand from the yard, but everything is clean now. And obviously our new steps are still on the way.